Have you ever contemplated what it would be like if humans could restore or enhance their voice through technology? Well, the field of cybernetics has been delving into this captivating question for several decades. Originally, cybernetics was a field of study associated with control and communication in machines and living organisms. Now, cybernetics has taken a significant leap into medical science, specifically in the realm of artificial vocal cord technology. The inception of cybernetics in the mid-20th century laid the foundation for the creation of artificial vocal cords. The initial ventures into this area were characterized by a series of modest accomplishments. However, the advent of the 21st century brought about a series of significant developments that have dramatically transformed the field. The crux of artificial vocal cords lies in their technology and design principles. The technology embedded in these devices is complex, covering a wide range of disciplines from materials science to signal processing. The design principles, conversely, are driven by the goal to replicate the natural structure and function of the vocal cords as closely as possible. There is a vast array of vocal enhancement devices available today, each with its own distinctive features and advantages. These devices work by either augmenting the natural vocal cords or replacing them entirely, endowing users with a renewed ability to produce speech. The application of these technologies in speech restoration has led to some truly extraordinary success stories. There have been cases where individuals who had lost their speaking ability due to injury or disease were able to regain their voice through the use of artificial vocal cords. Nonetheless, the journey towards the creation of artificial vocal cords has not been without its obstacles. There have been numerous technical hurdles to surmount, and ethical considerations have also been a major part of discussions in this field. Looking forward, the future of vocal enhancement technology is brimming with thrilling possibilities. Emerging trends and ongoing research suggest that we could soon witness breakthroughs that exceed current capabilities. In conclusion, the field of cybernetics has played a crucial role in the pursuit of voice restoration and enhancement. The journey so far has been marked by significant advancements, and the future holds even more potential. The possibility of a world where voice loss is no longer a life sentence is becoming increasingly real, thanks to the relentless efforts of researchers in this field.